So the first thing I noticed when I came in is this Corten fireplace. I mean, I've seen a lot of pictures of Corten fireplaces. Most of them are rusted, but this is the biggest and nicest one I've seen. Can you just talk about the design process with this fireplace?
Okay, so Western States Metal Roofing was kind enough to cut all this metal for us. I knew what I needed as far as the panel size and the square footage that I needed. So we just carried on using the same Corten material that we used down in the basement/workshop. And we laid this on top of the steel framing that frames out the fireplace. Behind this wall is actually a shear wall. So we needed to kind of close this whole area off because there's a perpendicular wall to the outside of the house that's behind this fireplace. We were fortunate enough to be able to squeeze this fireplace unit into the area without the shear wall interfering. So basically all the steel framing that is behind this Corten steel is in place, and then once we put the panels on it, it made the structure even more sturdy.
And that's just a 16 gauge piece of flat sheet that you've cut out.
Exactly.
So most of the ones I see, they pre-rusted orange, and it looks beautiful. You've gone the different direction. Yours is black, which in this house looks absolutely amazing. Talk about that choice. Did you do anything to seal the Corten? Why don't you elaborate on that, please?
So Corten steel is just like any other steel in the sense that it's going to oxidize. Difference with Corten is it's supposed to stop oxidizing after the outside of it is oxidized. So in order to prevent the oxidation process, you either need to put an oil or a wax on the material, on the metal, to keep the air from touching the metal. And being that this is indoors and we don't have a whole lot of moisture here in Southern California, we've only had to put oil on it once. And I think it's been about a year and a half now that it's been in place, and we haven't put oil on it again since the installation. Paul was making mention of the fact that one of the beautiful things about hot rolled steel as opposed to cold rolled steel is in the process of fabricating this, they put it through a roller, and the roller has oil on it. So you can see a lot of the oil patterns that are on the steel. They come out a little bit more right after you install it and oil it. We've lost a little bit of the pattern, but if you stand back, you can see it a little bit better. We use the same Corten theme up in the upstairs too, because one of the reasons is I'm just not a big fan of drywall. I think if you install this yourself, you probably come out about the same price. Drywall is pretty inexpensive, but the person installing it, taping it, finishing it, painting it, if you do all the metal yourself, you're probably about the same cost.
Yeah, it came
and
out
a
gorgeous.
much better look.